The Ethereum Merge is probably the most significant update in crypto history. Despite its significance, people don't understand what it means, whether it's good or bad, and what are the key points of the update. In this video, we'll be covering the Ethereum Merge in detail, so watch the video until the end. You're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the video in full and like the video if you want to see more of the content. A quick note, we'll never ask you for your number or personal information, and we'll certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. In this video, we'll cover a few topics. Number 1, the main purpose of the Ethereum Merge. You must be wondering, what is this merge for? Well, the main purpose of this merge is to convert the consensus mechanism of the Ethereum blockchain. With this, we aim to convert to a proof-of-stake mechanism from the old proof-of-work mechanism. Now, what are the proof-of-work and proof-of-stake models? In simple words, you can differentiate between the two of them like this. In the proof-of-work model, the network is secured by the users. Here, the users are those miners who purchase and use the mining hardware to mine the crypto. And that is what used to happen on the old blockchains like Bitcoin and ETH. A major drawback of this model is that miners consume a large amount of electricity in order to validate the network, while in the proof-of-stake model, the network is secured by the validators. In contrast to the old model, this model requires the validators to stake the crypto to validate the blockchain. A big advantage is that this model requires a much smaller amount of electricity. Actually, transitioning to a POS model was among the many milestones of ETH for a long time. This conversion was broken into 2 steps to reduce the risk. The first one was completed at the end of 2022 when Beacon Chain was launched. Beacon Chain operated on the POS model. And the second step, as you might have guessed, is the merge. Number 2, advantages of this merge. After the second step has been fully executed and the blockchain has been transitioned to a POS model, the electrical consumption to secure the ETH will be immensely reduced. This transition will bring down the electrical energy consumption by 99.95%. This will have multiple benefits. For instance, the allegations made on crypto, such as ETH being a danger to nature, will be falsified. It will also make ETH consumer-friendly for gamers, artists, and other users. It will also help crypto enthusiasts to secure ETH from home. This transition will also reduce the ETH issuance. Number 3, risks for ETH Merge. Even though the advantages are significant, this update also comes with risks. One of them is that now the validator who proposes to block will be known, because he will have to take part in the public selection process. A pessimistic view of this is that the protocols will be vulnerable to DOS attacks. This denial of service can be used in a bad way. If the validator is known, the attacker can cause them to lose their slots. This will stop them from including high-value transactions. This transition will also expose the blockchain and the users to attacks such as censorship and extortion. There are risks of governance takeover as well as the smart contract risk. That aside, this merge is the final part of the Ethereum blockchain's transformation. The whole crypto world is excited about it, and that's how it should be. Let me know what you think of this update in the comment section, and do come back for more of these informative videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.